Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and celebrated safe Diwali. Now, you are watching EduStar Class 4 English. In the last video, we revised from your literature reader, Lesson 3, Preetham Singh. Today, we will revise from your grammar book, Lesson 6, Articles, Part 1. You already know that a, an, and the are the articles. And you have some basic knowledge also, isn't it? These are like brothers, and all three brothers like to point out the nouns. These articles are written before a noun and it modifies the noun. They give more information about nouns. That is, they function like adjectives in the sentence. These articles a, an, and the are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let us look into that. Articles are categorized into two different types based on their usage: definite articles and indefinite articles. Article the comes under definite article because it shows uniqueness or specific things. Articles a and an comes under indefinite articles as it does not show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. In this video, we will learn about indefinite articles a and an. A and an are like twin brothers who like to point out at singular nouns only. Not only singular, but singular countable nouns. We say a noun is countable when we can count it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When we talk about one person, one place, one animal, and one thing, we usually use a and an. Let us learn this in detail with examples. Though they are twins, they both have different hobbies. The article an likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sounds. So now let us see the usage of the article an. We know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and out of these, the 5 letters A, E, I, O, and U are called vowels. When a word starts with the vowel or specifically vowel sound, we use an before such words. So far, you have learned that we should write a before consonant and an before vowel letters. But now we should learn based on the sounds of the letters because the usage of articles is based on the sound of the letters. For example, the word engine starts with the vowel letter E and has a vowel sound A. So, we use an before this word and say an engine. Let's take another example, alarm clock. Here, the word alarm starts with the vowel letter A and has a vowel sound A. So, we use an before this word and say an alarm clock. Let's take another word, umbrella. Here, the word umbrella starts with a vowel letter U and has the vowel sound A. So, we should add an before this word and we say an umbrella. Sometimes a word may begin with a consonant letter, but we use the article an before it. Do you know why this happens? Let's see. Take the word R. Here, the word starts with the consonant letter H. And here, H is silent. We don't say hour. We say R. The first sound is an ow sound, which is a vowel sound. So we add the article an before R and say an R. Let me take one more example, honest. Here, we don't pronounce the word as honest. We say honest. That means it has an ow sound in the beginning. So we should write an before this and say an honest. The article A is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. So now let us see the usage of the article A. The remaining letters of the English alphabet other than A, E, I, O and U are called consonants. When a word starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use a before such words. Let me explain you this with an example. Let's take the word pan. Here, the word pan starts with the consonant letter P and has the consonant sound P. So, we use the article a before this and say a pan. Let's take another example, the word comb. Here, the word comb starts with the consonant letter C and has the consonant sound K. So, we should add a before this and say a comb. Let me take one more example, toothbrush. Here, the word toothbrush starts with the consonant letter T and has the consonant sound T. And so, we should add the article a before this and say a toothbrush. If you observe carefully, you will see that the use of the articles a or an depends on the opening sound of the word and not on the actual letter with which it begins. Sometimes a word may begin with a vowel letter, but we use the article a before it. Let's see the reason behind it with some examples. Let's take the word unicorn. Here, we don't pronounce with the vowel sound of U, that is a. We don't say unicorn, but here we take the name of the letter U and pronounce as unicorn, which is the sound of the consonant letter Y. So we write the article a before unicorn and say a unicorn. Let me explain with one more word, European. Though the word starts with a vowel letter E, we don't pronounce European. That is, with the sound of the vowel letter E. We say European, which has the sound of the consonant letter Y. So, we write the article a before European. Well, now it is time for working out. Here is your worksheet based on today's topic. Let's check the answers for the previous worksheet. See you in the next session. Take care. Bye.